Welcome to Home Orchestration. We are going to prepare an orange-flavored birthday cake. It's an easy and tasty recipe. At the end of this video, I have also included a glimpse of snacks suitable for a kid's birthday party. Let's see the ingredients required for the preparation. These are also listed in the description of this video. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees for 10 minutes. In the meantime, we can prepare the cake batter. Add 4 eggs that are at room temperature one by one to the bowl and beat until we get a creamy texture. Add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar portion by portion. Beat the mixture at high speed. Take half cup of fresh orange juice. Add a portion of dry ingredients and fresh orange juice to the creamy batter and beat at a lower speed. Take a round-shaped cake pan of 26 centimeters, place butter paper in the base and add the batter. Before placing the cake pan in the oven, remove the bubbles by tapping. Place the cake into the preheated oven and bake for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, check with a skewer at the middle of the cake. If the skewer comes out clean, that means the cake is baked well. If not, bake it for another 5 minutes. Once done, take the cake out and allow it to cool. Take 500 ml of heavy cream in a bowl and start beating. Start at low speed and gradually increase the speed. Add 2 tablespoons of vanilla sugar to bring a vanilla flavor. If you want to make it sweeter, add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar besides vanilla sugar. Start spreading the cream on top of the cake and smoothen it using a flat knife or scraper. Keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes for the setting. After 30 minutes, take the cake out from the fridge and start decorating according to your style. I have used chocolate letters to write happy birthday. The first letter got broken while taking it out, but the shape was still fine. If you are using pre-made chocolate letters bought from the supermarket, be careful while taking it out of the packaging. This cake was made for my son's birthday party. He wanted to have snowflakes, snowman, and Christmas decorations on top of the cake. On the sides, he wanted to have colorful sprinkles. This is another cake I baked with the same ingredients and measurements but in a rectangular cake pan, keeping the decoration really simple.